Hi, this is Classic Techart. Welcome to another video. As you can see to my computer screen, this is a letter logo design. It's a fantastic and very colorful. It's debut letter logo design. So no matter talk, let's begin today. So what we're going to do, I just select all the things, I group a little bit smaller, that, and keep to the counter side for the more clear the object. To run it today, I need to go to the dashboard. There's so many tools over here, but I need here just rectangle tool. Here two or here six or five tools, but I need rectangle. To run it today, I just select that, uh, that a little bit. I think it's okay. So where I just go to the over here and the downside is here by pressing is I need shear tool over here and by pressing like that a little bit like that, it's okay. I think it's fantastic. So when it today, I go to the upper here, I select and go to the rotor to see reflect, not rotor, reflect tool, and press the enter. And to be more cautious, more careful about it is you needed to keep click like that and go to copy. See, there's some magic. So what we're going to do, I just now select this one and get to the by pressing shift there. It's okay. See, a little bit. I need to go there. I need it just a little bit like that. Now exactly done. I want it. So just I need to now group things. No, I need to select this and go to the transform or transform arrange. Go to the bring first. I needed to change the color a little bit. Uh, just changing case doesn't matter, but I need group by pressing Alt Control and G. Okay, so I need to now just to what just copy and by pressing Alt key and then I gotta be there. I think it's okay, but yeah, what is so so now I just to what we're going to do, I just to go to the pen tool over here and I need to click over here. There, it'll be like that. Okay, so case it's nothing like that. It's okay. See happening. So I need to also copy one thing that I needed to copy, put over here like that. It's okay. So I needed to change the color. So I needed to ungroup and change the go to the transfer. So I think I needed to one one there. Now I go to the over here think it's okay. So where is that? That. I think it's like that. Okay. So it's taking time a little bit. So I need to go to the there and go there. I think it's okay. Let me see how it's happening. Yeah, I think it's okay. So I need to just change the color here and select either per two. There, it's okay. You see exactly what I wanted. Just this color. But I think this needed to change this color and group table. Go to the change the color and color. And another thing is that I need to change either there. It's okay. So I need to delete all the things. Yes, and I need to just group all the things. Okay, you see exactly like that. It's a table typography at Logo Design. So, Namara Talk. Thanks for watching.